this is how you want to use our AI retirement advisory calculator tool. First, you key in your age right now, key in the year that you intend to retire, and you're going to enter what is the amount of your total retirement fund, excluding your properties, what's your retirement fund returns to the best of your knowledge, and how much are you going to spend every year during retirement phase. Now, I made a mistake over here. The first column, current year, should be the current year that you are in when you're using the tool. And then the expected retirement age would be entered at the bottom, and then just assume a 4% inflation rate. And this AI powered retirement tool, you compute your balanced retirement fund, what are the returns, how much you spend, on a yearly basis. Because end of the day, what you really want to know, what is really important to you is how long my retirement fund that I have right now can sustain me with what I'm going to withdraw every year with inflation and everything together, right? So this is a summary. Now, this is the first version of the tool, which is a basic version, but we also have a more advanced version that I'm personally using for our one-on-one clients. So again, same thing, key in your current age, what's your intended retirement age, and what's your total retirement fund, excluding all your properties. And of course, there's this monthly contribution, means that how much more you're adding to your retirement fund from your income or surplus every month, every year, which is more advanced because it has this feature the previous tool doesn't have, but the rest of this variable are the same. Expected annual return of the inflation rate is to say 4%, what's your monthly retirement spending, right? And you can see over here, your retirement fund. There's a graphical representation. Again, the same thing, sustain until 94 years old, and there's a table breaking this down for you. And you could even have an AI feature, embedded in, which it takes some time to actually give you some layman advice. But this is a more advanced version because you can say how much I'm still adding into the retirement fund, because you might not retire, in the next 5 or 10 years, right? You can even have a column to say, okay, how much lump sum I'm going to spend for vacation, how much I'm going to allocate for my children education. And you can even do an interactive scenario analysis to say that what if I'm going to retire earlier, right? Can my fund still sustain me for X number of years? How would my retirement fund sustainability be reduced? And you can all do that just by moving slider, higher returns, spend less, spend more. And this would be a pretty accurate summary of what you should do for your retirement. And this is how to use the tool. If this is your first time seeing this tool that I just demonstrated for you, comment access below so that I could send you the link where to try out this tool for yourself.